Do you sometimes sense that your life story extends beyond your current existence? Many individuals report fleeting glimpses or feelings hinting at experiences from previous lifetimes. These sensations aren't mere figments of imagination. They could be your mind's way of accessing past life memories. Understanding and recalling these memories can offer profound insights into your present self. But first, we should understand what past life memories mean. The concept of past lives or reincarnation suggests that our souls traverse multiple lifetimes, each contributing to our growth and understanding. While mainstream science remains skeptical, numerous cultures and spiritual traditions embrace the idea of rebirth. Accessing past life memories isn't about idle curiosity. It's a journey toward deeper self-awareness, potentially unveiling the roots of unexplained fears, affinities, or recurring dreams. 1. The power of meditation. Meditation serves as a bridge between the conscious and subconscious mind, creating a tranquil space where hidden memories can surface. By focusing inward, you can quiet external distractions and tune into deeper layers of consciousness. Regular meditation enhances mental clarity, making it easier to recognize and interpret past life impressions. To begin, find a serene environment and adopt a comfortable posture. Close your eyes and take deep, steady breaths, allowing your mind to settle. Visualize a hallway with numerous doors, each representing a different lifetime. As you approach a door that draws you in, open it and observe any images, emotions, or sensations that emerge. This practice, rooted in various spiritual traditions, can gradually unlock memories from previous existences. Consistency is key. Incorporate this meditation into your routine, and over time, the fragments you encounter may become more vivid and coherent, offering insights into patterns or issues present in your current life. 2. Exploring through hypnotherapy. Hypnotherapy delves into the subconscious, a reservoir of memories and experiences beyond our immediate awareness. A trained hypnotherapist can guide you into a relaxed state, facilitating access to past life memories. This process can uncover experiences that influence your present behaviors, relationships, and emotional responses. During a session, the therapist employs techniques to induce deep relaxation, allowing your conscious mind to step aside. In this state, you're guided to explore memories that arise, which may pertain to past lives. It's essential to approach this with an open mind, as the subconscious often communicates through symbols and metaphors. While hypnotherapy can be a powerful tool, it's crucial to seek professionals with experience in past life regression to ensure a safe and constructive experience. 3. Recognizing deja vu. Deja vu, the sensation of having experienced a moment before, might be more than a fleeting anomaly. Some theories propose that these episodes are glimpses into past life experiences, where familiar situations or places trigger subconscious memories. Pay attention to these moments. When deja vu occurs, take note of your surroundings, emotions, and any specific details that stand out. Keeping a journal of these experiences can help identify patterns or recurring themes, potentially linking back to previous lifetimes. While not all instances of deja vu are connected to past lives, heightened awareness of these episodes can serve as a valuable tool in uncovering hidden memories. 4. Analyzing recurring dreams. Dreams often serve as a window into the subconscious, presenting symbols and narratives that reflect deeper truths. Recurring dreams, in particular, may signify unresolved issues or memories from past lives seeking acknowledgement. If you experience such dreams, document them in detail upon waking. Note the setting, people involved, emotions felt, and any other pertinent details. Over time, patterns may emerge, offering clues about past experiences influencing your current life. Engaging with these dreams through reflection or discussion with a therapist can provide deeper insights and facilitate healing of past traumas. 5. Deep emotional connection to certain places, cultures, or time periods. Have you ever felt an unexplainable pull toward a particular place, era, or culture, even though you have no personal experience with it? Maybe you feel strangely at home in a city you've never visited before, or you're drawn to a specific historical period with an emotional intensity that goes beyond mere curiosity. These inexplicable connections could be echoes from a past life. Your soul may recognize environments, customs, or historical events that were once part of your reality, manifesting as nostalgia or even longing. This deep resonance often comes with strong emotions, either positive or negative. You might feel a sense of belonging when you hear a specific language or see traditional clothing from a certain era. Alternatively, you may feel an unexplained discomfort in places tied to war, famine, or destruction, even if you have no logical reason to react that way. These emotions are signals, clues left behind by your subconscious, hinting at memories that are just beneath the surface. Recognizing these reactions is the first step in uncovering past life connections. To explore these connections further, immerse yourself in what calls to you. If you feel drawn to a certain country or culture, read about its history, listen to its music, or even travel there if possible. Sometimes physically being in a familiar place from a past life can trigger a flood of emotions or memories. Pay attention to spontaneous feelings or images that surface. Your intuition is a powerful tool, and the more you engage with these connections, the closer you get to unlocking your hidden past. 6. Innate talents and unexplained skills. Have you ever picked up a skill or talent with almost no effort, as if you had been doing it for lifetimes? Some people find themselves naturally gifted at painting, playing an instrument, speaking a foreign language, or even understanding complex subjects without formal training. While genetics and environment play a role, many unexplained abilities may stem from past lives where these skills were deeply ingrained. This phenomenon has been observed in cases of child prodigies, young children who display extraordinary abilities far beyond their years. How does a 5-year-old compose symphonies or fluently speak multiple languages without prior exposure? One possible explanation is that their soul retains knowledge from a previous lifetime, allowing them to access these abilities at an early age. Even in adulthood, people sometimes experience sudden bursts of talent in areas they have never formally studied. These are moments when past life memories bleed into the present, making certain skills feel instinctive. To pass over into these past life abilities, pay close attention to what comes naturally to you. If you feel drawn to a particular craft, subject, or instrument, explore it deeply. The more you practice and engage with these talents, the more you might awaken buried memories and refine abilities that have been with you across lifetimes. Instead of questioning how you just know something, lean into it, because your past self may have already mastered it. 7. Unexplained phobias and irrational fears. Some fears have obvious causes: trauma, bad experiences, or learned behaviors from childhood. But what about fears that have no logical origin? A fear of deep water despite never having had a near-drowning experience, an intense fear of heights with no history of falling, or an aversion to certain places or objects without any rational explanation. These could all be remnants of past life experiences carried into your present consciousness. In many documented cases of past life regression therapy, people recall traumatic events from previous lifetimes that directly correlate with their current fears. Someone with an intense fear of fire may remember perishing in a past life due to a house fire. Another person who dreads public speaking might recall being persecuted for speaking out in a former life. The emotional weight of these experiences leaves a psychological imprint, affecting us in ways we don't always understand. Overcoming these fears starts with acknowledgement. If you experience a phobia that feels deeper than normal anxiety, consider past life regression techniques or deep meditation to uncover potential origins. Sometimes simply understanding the root cause of an irrational fear can begin to lessen its grip on your life. By facing these fears and recognizing them as echoes from another time, you can begin to release them, allowing your current life to unfold without the weight of the past holding you back. 8. Birthmarks and unexplained physical traits. Many spiritual traditions believe that birthmarks and other unexplained physical features can be linked to injuries or significant events from past lives. Some even suggest that these marks are signs left behind by past traumas, visible reminders of a history we no longer consciously remember. This idea has been explored in reincarnation studies, where people who recall past life deaths often have birthmarks corresponding to the wounds they describe. For instance, a person who recalls being fatally wounded by a sword in a past life may have a long birthmark in the same area of their body. In some studies, children who report past life memories have birthmarks that match documented injuries of the deceased individuals they claim to have been. While modern science does not officially recognize these connections, the consistency of such cases raises compelling questions about whether the body can carry scars from a previous existence. Do you have a prominent birthmark? Consider researching or reflecting on what it could represent. While not all birthmarks have past life significance, some may be clues to experiences that shaped who you are today. Exploring these possibilities with an open mind can offer insight into your soul's journey across lifetimes. 9. Instant and unexplainable connections with certain people. Have you ever met someone and felt an immediate, deep connection, as if you've known them forever? These powerful bonds often defy logic. You might feel an instant sense of trust, familiarity, or even an unexplainable emotional charge. Many believe that such encounters are signs of past life relationships, where two souls recognize each other beyond the boundaries of time. These connections are not always positive. Just as you might feel instantly drawn to someone, you might also experience an intense aversion to another person for no apparent reason. In both cases, the emotions are rooted in something deeper than the present moment. Perhaps you shared a strong bond in a previous life, a friendship, a family tie, or even a romantic connection. Alternatively, you might be reconnecting with someone you had unresolved conflicts with, and your soul remembers the unfinished lessons. If you experience such a connection, don't ignore it. Pay attention to how these relationships evolve and what lessons they bring. Sometimes past life connections come into our current lives to heal unresolved karma, teach us important lessons, or simply remind us of the eternal nature of our souls. 10. Memories that feel too real to be imaginary. One of the strongest signs of a past life is a vivid, detailed memory that doesn't seem to belong to your current existence. These memories often come out of nowhere, perhaps during meditation, in a dream, or even in a sudden flash of recognition when visiting a new place. Unlike regular daydreams, these recollections feel strikingly real, complete with emotions, sensory details, and a sense of certainty that they actually happened. Many children experience past life memories naturally, but forget them as they grow older. Studies have shown that some young children recall specific details about historical events, describe places they have never visited, or recognize people they couldn't possibly know. As adults, these memories can surface in different ways, through deja vu, spontaneous visions, or strong emotional reactions to certain locations or objects. Now, if you've ever experienced a memory that doesn't fit into your current life, don't dismiss it as mere imagination. Write it down, reflect on its details, and explore possible connections to history or past life research. The more you tune into these memories, the clearer they may become, helping you uncover the threads of your soul's journey across lifetimes. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.